right, people, so we are going to head to check out another house that they already have established. This is going to be Farm View Ranch 703 is the name of the house, or the build or whatever. And this is from a guy that's with Clayton Homes. And he was like, yo, it's just right up the street, maybe 2 miles. You know, I can take you to go see it really, really quickly. And I was like, I mean, hey, why not? Let's go. So I'm going to follow him. And this is roughly around about 1,800 square feet. We're looking at, let's see. Okay. All right. This is 703. Let me just make sure. All right. Yeah, 703. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's a 32 by 60. 32 by 68. There's a McDonald's. They got so much stuff like in this town, everything that you freaking need, man. I'm looking at, you know, Advanced Auto Parts. I've seen a few Dollar Generals. You know, you got Goodwill, you got Pelican, you got Waffle House, Taco Bell, Advanced Auto Parts. Like, man, the only thing that I'm looking for that I haven't seen just yet is a Walmart. That's it. That is literally it. Even got a state employee credit union up here, which is dope. Got a little food mart over here. Nice, 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 nice. So the total price for this would be like $340, I believe he said. $340,481. That's a little bit over a quarter of an acre of land that was to my right that they have available. We'll be leaving here and heading back to Charlotte, man. I've been on the move since early. That's 55 plus acres. Good grief. Yo, this place is a freaking like gold mine for land, bro. I'm losing them. Hold on, wait a minute. Hey, dude is booking it, bro. Like, hey, I don't drive that fast. I really don't. Speed limit is 45. He up here doing, it's 35 going around this thing. I don't do well with following people, man. I really don't. I like to just cruise and chill, listen to a little bit of music, kick back and whatnot, what have you. But today was a freaking success. Everything was pretty much dedicated to real estate. Today was my real estate day. I got the opportunity to go check out some property, and then after that, spent a few hours at Clayton Homes, touring their homes that they had available. Oh, is this it? Oh my goodness, look at this. Holy freaking crap, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo. Oh my God. What? Dude. Are you freaking serious? Oh, this is beautiful, man. This is freaking gorgeous. Wow. Oh my. Holy crap. And he said this is sitting on an acre of freaking land, bro. An acre. Jeez. Everything is already set up. You got brick at the bottom. Oh, wow. Man. Wow. Jeez. Bro, this is crazy. Look at it, even has a freaking balcony on the back. Oh, wow. That is crazy.
Yep, looking out the back here.
Dang. This is amazing. Already ready to go. Look Oh man. Jeez. Wanted to make sure I get a video so y'all will be able to actually see. I still don't think this video is gonna honestly do it justice. This is amazing. Yeah, for an acre, man. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this is sitting on an acre of land, y'all. And like he just said, it goes further back than what we are currently seeing right now. So you have a big, huge backyard, plenty of space on the sides, everything. Everything. And we're looking at about 340. Whew. Dang. And this is including the land, so you don't have to worry about the land, any of that stuff. All the prep work, everything has already been done. Like it already has freaking light, AC and everything already on that thing. Oh my goodness. Whew, man, I need to to calm. This is, look at the back patio, man. This is crazy. I know y'all are gonna flip. Y'all are gonna flip when y'all see this. This is crazy. Yeah, I just want to drop a quick little video so y'all will be able to see, like, this is what this thing looks like. Jeez. Wow. Man, I've literally been blown away today. Blown away, bro. Wow. Pretty much the exact same thing that, you know, we have already seen. Just gonna go through really, really quick so y'all will be able to just take a look at everything. Look at that shower. Of course, the master would go to mom's. So this will be your space. I just might, you know, use this when you're probably out. Huge closet. Huge living room, plenty of space for the family to be able to sit and enjoy. We can have a few different couches in here. Huge rooms. Got the drywall in here. Nice sized closet areas. It's your bathroom right here. Shower tub combo. Another space. Big, huge. That's it. That is amazing.